Hi friends, many people waste their time in counting the successful people's actions and reading their success stories. They also dream of becoming a successful person one day without actually taking any action or putting efforts. It is in their mindset that they pre-decide about their abilities, skill and outcomes. They have a long list of reasons for their inabilities. In the end, they become biggest losers. In this video, we walk you through 10 things only losers say. If you change your mindset to that of a winner's mindset, you stand to gain. Change your attitude first. Start believing that you will also succeed and you will definitely be a winner. Let's see the 10 things what losers say. Here we go. Number 1. I will start tomorrow. That is a procrastination. Many people make good plans on paper. They also adopt good strategies on paper. They maintain to-do list to ensure that they complete the tasks in a planned manner. They try to have a good vision, but the only problem with them is they never start. They have good reasons why they could not start. Adam Grant says, when you procrastinate, you are more likely to let your mind wander. That gives you a better chance of stumbling onto the unusual and spotting unexpected patterns. Number 2, I'm not at fault. That is a blame game. There is a growing tendency to find faults on anything we lose. Common examples are like in the exam, the questions were too difficult, the questions were out of syllabus, the questions were lengthy and difficult to understand, etc. Similarly, in a teamwork, in office, you look for weaker member and try to push the blame on such members to cover up your faults. You try to shift the blame to others in a team, although you know that you have not put in your 100%. Number 3, I can't. That's a preconceived notion. Many people believe and assume that they can't do. They think they are not capable of taking up the challenges. They easily give up by underestimating their potential. They take it for granted that they will lose. They start comparing the strengths of other opponents and focus on those strengths rather than focusing on their own strengths. They thus get demotivated and start to underestimate their potential. In a majority of cases, they don't even make a try and thus get disappointed easily before the words start. They end up losing their battle. According to Plato, wise men speak because they have something to say. Fools because they have to say something. Number 4, it is not fair. Many losers complain that the competition is not balanced. The judges are not fair. The evaluation is not fair. There is a high degree of partiality or favoritism. They think and claim that the judgment is not objective and is biased. They look for a list of excuses on which they can stay upon when they lose. This same attitude keeps them on low performance and they lose outrightly without any fighting or tough attempt on their part. Number 5, I don't have time. The losers have a habit of wasting their precious time on unproductive purposes. They look busy and do nothing. They pretend to do many things simultaneously and never complete any task. They have a wrong notion that doing multitasking would make them a good performer, but in reality, they open up many tasks, leave them unfinished, and at the end of the day, have very little time to complete important tasks. They spend most of their time in wasteful activities like on mobile phone, calls, chats, social media, internet, gossips, and having a lazy schedule. All these activities consume most of their precious time, which should be avoided if you really want to be a winner. And Mokosinski says, if I do not do something constructive every day, I feel like I have wasted my time, and I almost feel guilty for not doing something I could have learned from. Number 6, I am offended. Stop arguing on baseless allegations. Ignore misconceptions whomsoever may have. This will push you to move forward with an open thinking and strong belief that you can win. Do not self-impose a false prestige. Be your normal. Don't exaggerate the things which according to you may not be like to your liking. In this way, you will self-motivate to deal with any abnormal situations. You will have a strong mentality to face any upcoming obstacles or challenges in your way if you want to be a winner. Number 7, they are lucky. Many people count on other people's success stories. They start self-dreaming of replacing them without any action. Remember, merely dreaming of being a winner without actual effort or action would not make you a winner. Do not compare yourself with others and get demotivated. Ignore the things which according to you are missing from you, which others have. Focus on the target and don't worry for the results. Number 7, they are lucky. Many people count on other people's success stories. They start self-dreaming of replacing them without any action. Remember, merely dreaming of being a winner without actual effort or action would not make you a winner. Do not compare yourself with others and get demotivated. Ignore the things which according to you are missing from you, which others have. Number 8, I am too tired. Many people enjoy the comfort zone. They want to be a winner without coming out of the comfort zone. Remember, unless you come out of your comfort zone, unless you go into the field, unless you face the challenges, you will not have a taste of a winner. This attitude is very important, which most ignore. They continue to remain in their comfort zone and dream of being a winner. Winning is not a cakewalk. There are obstacles and struggles. Facing the obstacles and struggles bravely will make you a winner. Number 9, easy for you to say. How best to look for ways to ensure that a particular thing or event cannot be achieved. Losers say with loud voice that winning may be easy for you to say, but they stress and reason out how difficult it is to win. They make unnecessary arguments in support of their beliefs that it is difficult for them, although looks easy to others. Last, number 10, it is impossible. Straight away brush it out without applying any mind. Don't self-create the boundaries. Many people lose the battle before it is actually fought by strongly thinking and believing that it is impossible. They don't even try. They are scared to face the opponents. They underestimate their potential and come to foregone conclusions that they will stand to lose. This negative thought drags them from the winning line. Remember, start by doing what is necessary, then do what is possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. This is a famous saying by Francis of Assisi. Friends, if you liked this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thank you.